Hello, today we will guide you through how to ship from warehouse ACBuy. To begin, open the ACBuy website in your browser and make sure the home page has fully loaded. Starting from the main page is helpful because it gives you access to the search bar and product categories right away. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is visible and responsive before moving on. This helps avoid clicking the wrong area or missing important product details later. Once you are on the site, enter a sample product into the search bar. In this example, you can simply type in a general item you want to look for. The purpose of this step is to find a product listing so you can check whether it can be sent to the designated warehouse. Try to spell the item clearly and keep the search term simple, since broader searches often return more results and make it easier to continue with the process. After entering the sample product, review the search results and click on the product you want to inspect. This will open the product detail page where you can confirm whether the item is eligible for the warehouse shipping process. When choosing a product from the results, it can help to select one with a clear title and image so you know you are opening the correct listing. This small check can save time and reduce confusion, especially if several results look similar. On the product page, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here you should see the ACBuy designated warehouse information displayed. This is the key detail you need to verify. The warehouse section confirms that the item can be associated with the proper shipping workflow through ACBuy. Take a moment to read this area carefully and make sure the designated warehouse is shown clearly before continuing with any future shipping or purchasing actions. This verification step is important because it helps ensure you are working with the correct item and that it is connected to the proper warehouse setup. If you do not see the warehouse information right away, scroll slightly or give the page a moment to finish loading. Sometimes details appear after the rest of the product page is already loaded. Once you have confirmed that the ACBuy designated warehouse is displayed on the right side, you have successfully completed the check needed in this process. From there, you can move forward knowing the product is set up for warehouse handling within ACBuy. Thanks for watching, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to follow.